Hello friends, welcome to LRIPL's YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about LRIPL's newly launched LRIPL Smart LED Universal Remote Control. And first of all we'll talk about its packaging, and then we'll talk about the remote control and its features. So we have made this packaging in two color. One is saffron, the other one is blue. So it has a combination of saffron and blue color. On the front side you will see the remote control picture and the model name. We have given it LRIPL Smart LED Universal Remote Control. So model number is LRIPL Smart LED Universal Remote Control. And at the side of it you will see different remote controls, which means this remote control can replace all sort of remote controls, all sort of LED remote controls. And the other side, if you see, it has got all the brand names on which this remote control will work. At the sideline we have given all major features of this remote control. So we'll talk about it later. First of all we'll see the packaging. So and at the back side we have given how you can configure or set this remote with your LED TV. So this is LRIPL Smart LED Universal Remote Control, which will work almost all brands of LED TVs. So now we are gonna unveil it. So this is the newly launched remote controls. It has got beautiful design. If I talk about the keys, it has got soft touch keypads, and at the back side of it, it's a battery cover. And then if I see the front of it, it has got beautiful design. It is beautifully designed and developed actually. So let's come to the features of this remote control. You will see all smart features of a LED remote control on this remote, like this is YouTube, Netflix, and Mail, Skype, Play Store, Hotstar, Amazon Prime, browser. So it has got all the features of an LED smart TV. And apart from that, there are other buttons which are compatible to your LED TVs, like the forward button, the backward button, volume plus minus, channel up and down, mute, menu, source, TV, media. There are so many of other functions as well. So on the bottom of this remote control you'll see 6 LED buttons which are assigned for different LEDs. Let's say if you press LED 1 after switching on your LED TV, then after pressing LED 1, just check if your LED TV is working. You can press power on off button. You can check with volume plus minus or channel up and down, whatever the case is. And if your LED is not working after pressing LED 1, you need to go for LED 2. So likewise, if it doesn't get configured on LED 2, then you need to press LED 3, LED 4, and likewise 5 and 6. So this is how you can configure your LED TV with this remote control. And I'm sure these 6 keys will have codes of your LED TV. So this is overall a very nice product which is designed and developed for LED TVs. I hope you liked the video. Please share, like, and subscribe our YouTube channel, and enjoy the videos. Thank you.